Ever bookmark Sage Intacct and you come back and it seems like nothing works? Let me save you hours of confusion with a quick tip from our support wizard, Charlie. Imagine you just logged out of Sage Intacct after working in the system all day and you save that final page once you log out to log in faster next time. But when you try to log back in the next day, nothing loads, or you see a weird maintenance screen. That's because the URL you saved includes a pod number, something like P123, which changes anytime Sage does maintenance or moves your account. So the next time you try that old link, you're basically knocking on the wrong door. Here's the fix. You're going to go to the Sage website and you're going to click Login in the top right. You're going to choose Sage Intacct from the dropdown, and if your saved link that you've bookmarked in the past includes a pod number, delete that part before logging in. That simple cleanup ensures that your login and your bookmark will always route you to the correct server, no matter what pod you're on. And remember, little known tip, Sage does schedule maintenance every Friday from 7:30 to 11:30 p.m. Pacific. Sometimes it's short, sometimes they use that whole block of time. So if you can't log in during that window, that's probably why. I hope this tip has saved you some stress. Feel free to pass it along. And if you found this useful, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want more tips like this, check out our other videos on the Sockeye page.